Pelonis heaters are designed with built-in safety features to prevent hazards like overheating or tipping. When your heater keeps shutting off unexpectedly, it's usually these safety mechanisms activating. The overheat sensor monitors the internal temperature. If it detects excessive heat, typically from blocked airflow due to dust buildup on the vents and grills, it automatically shuts down the heater to prevent damage or fire. The tip-over switch is another safety feature that cuts power if the heater is knocked over or tilted beyond a safe angle. This prevents accidents if the unit falls, such as from pets or movement. Most shutdown problems stem from dust accumulation that restricts airflow for the overheat sensor or the heater being accidentally tipped. Regular cleaning and proper placement are essential to keep your Pelonis heater running safely and continuously. The overheat sensor is a safety feature that monitors the heater's internal temperature. If the temperature exceeds 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, it automatically cuts power to prevent fires. This diagram shows how the sensor works with components like temperature detectors and buzzers for alerts. To fix issues, clean around the sensor using a vacuum or compressed air to remove dust that can block proper function. Ensure at least 3 feet of clear space around the heater for proper ventilation and airflow. Always let the heater cool before attempting to restart it. The tip-over switch is a critical safety feature in Pelonis heaters. It's a mercury or ball-bearing switch that detects if the heater tilts beyond 10 to 15 degrees from vertical. When triggered, it immediately cuts power to prevent fire hazards, complying with UL safety standards. This switch works by using a small mechanism that shifts when the heater tilts, breaking the electrical circuit and shutting off power instantly. It's not a malfunction, but a built-in precaution against tipping hazards. If the switch triggers, place the heater upright on a completely flat and stable surface. Wait at least 30 seconds to allow the switch mechanism to reset, then safely turn the heater back on. To prevent unwanted shutdowns, keep the heater away from pets, children, or areas prone to accidental contact. Consider anchoring the heater to the wall or floor for extra stability in busy environments. Dust and debris buildup on the heater's air vents restricts airflow, leading to overheating and automatic shutdowns. To prevent this, clean the heater every 1 to 2 months using a soft brush or vacuum. These tools safely remove dust without damaging components. Always avoid using water, as it can cause electrical damage and safety hazards. For deeper cleaning of non-electrical parts, use isopropyl alcohol to dissolve stubborn dirt and grime. Regular maintenance like this prevents most shutdown issues and keeps your heater running safely. If cleaning the heater doesn't resolve the shutdown issue, the first thing to check is the power cord for any visible damage. Next, ensure the electrical outlet is functioning properly by testing it with a multimeter or trying another device. For smart heaters, check for and install any available firmware updates through the manufacturer's app. If the problem continues despite these checks, contact a professional technician for repair or replacement of internal components. Newer Pelonis smart heaters include advanced features like self-diagnostic modes that automatically test the heater on startup. App connectivity allows remote monitoring and sends mobile alerts if potential problems are detected before a shutdown occurs. These smart systems can predict issues using AI-assisted diagnostics, helping prevent unexpected shutdowns. Firmware updates, available via USB for compatible models, have been shown to reduce overheat incidents by up to 20%. However, app-connected heaters introduce cybersecurity risks, as seen in recent hacks targeting smart home devices. Always use strong passwords and keep firmware updated to minimize these vulnerabilities. Heater technology is evolving towards smarter designs with AI-powered diagnostics that predict maintenance needs before issues arise. Regulations are driving the development of more energy-efficient heaters with recyclable components to reduce environmental impact. Future heaters will feature modular designs that allow easy replacement of components like sensors and switches. These trends will make heaters safer and easier to maintain in the coming years.